work on cars, they said. It'll be fun, they said. This is on a 2012 Kia Soul, and this is the electric motor for the electric power steering assist. And the little rubber bushing that is in here, or goes in here, melted and failed miserably. It's great. That is wonderful, Kia. You are fantastic. That's great. So this is linked to, this is the gearbox for said power steering. The motor basically does 75% of the work for you when the car is running. So it'll help you steer. It's like regular power steering, but electric. So this will do the work instead of a traditional hydraulic pump that's hooked up to the engine. So this will help you steer, per se. You'll put 25% of the input in here in the steering wheel. This will cover the other 75% when the car is running. So, real quick, let me show you the new one versus the old one. You'll like this. Guess which one's the new one and which one's the old one? Swell, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, the funny thing is, too, is that I told them, hey, it's just a $10 part. You can get it at Advanced Auto Parts for $14. Whatever, no biggie. You know, this is all you need. No, Parts decided to submit an entire steering column assembly for $1,000. And I said, no, jackasses. It just needs this. So I had to fight them on it and say, no, doesn't need a whole steering column assembly, just this little rubber piece of shit piece. So that's my day. How's yours? So essentially, this little guy will just sit in here after I clean it up, and that'll go on, and this little rubber bushing absorbs all of the impact of these metal teeth that essentially is like a gear, pretty much, a 4-toothed gear, and this just sits in between to absorb all of the impact when you're steering. Customer complaint was that they were hearing a clunking noise every time they turn the wheel, and that'll do it. Old bushing melted because poor design, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Car only has 14,000 miles on it, but it's 11 years old. So, I mean, it definitely sat for a long time, but it's just still weird that this is the part that failed versus everything else on the car. So, riddle me that.